What's up? This is Anzine. I'm going to be showing you how to use this website to plan any operations for 501st or any other divisions you may be in. Up top left, you have your operation name, and right now it's on names. All you do is click on it. It will pop up a prompt, and you can name it anything you want to. For right now, we're just going to name it summary. Next up, you have your phases, and this copy button right here will copy anything you have on your screen so you can seamlessly transition through phases. For example, you hit copy, it'll make a new phase. You move it over to the right, and just like that, you now have the exact same item, but moved around on a different phase. And you can also name these phases by typing on these, and just say test 1, and you can do it for any phase. Next up is the move tool, as you saw me doing. I was moving items around, and the move tool doubles as a delete. Double click to delete any item. Next up, you have the resize. Drag to the right to make it bigger, drag to the left to make it smaller, just like that. Next up is recolor. Say I accidentally spawned in 501st and I wanted to make it CIS or any enemy I might be fighting. I'll click over here on properties, click red, go to recolor, and click on the item. And just like that, it will change it. And this works for any text box, path, zone, it changes your ping color, and so on. Let's go ahead and delete that. Next up, edit text. Say I was typing, accidentally misspelled test, and I want to click on this and change it. And now it's test, just like that. Next up is draw. If you have your map pulled up and you just want to make tiny adjustments for people on call, you can use this and do anything you want to. You can draw anywhere. To delete it, again, double click. Next up is going to be the most used item here, is going to be the path. And again, the path color is controlled by properties. Let's make that blue. Now we can draw a path anywhere. If you want to make it a little bit bolder, just like that. And this is going to be really big on anywhere you may be moving your units. We'll get to the invisible button in just a second. Zones, you have 3 separate types of zones. One that is fully customizable and 2 that are preset. So you have circles, and say you don't want it striped, you click striped right here. Same thing for the rectangle. And these are your 2 presets. Stencils, you click where you want it to go. It's not freehand, it's very rigid. Just like that, and now you can do anything you want to with that for any valley that may be a weird shape that you want to control, and a rectangle or a circle just won't work. Next up, you have the ping. Pings are pretty good if you're like in a call and you just want to get people's attention to one specific area of the map. Top right, you have your grid, and the grid for everyone will always be A1 through P9, regardless. You can change the grid color right over here under properties, and it will work on any background, so it pops out just enough. Next up, you have your map, and this is the most important because this is how you load up any map you want to. Any image works as well. Next up, you can take a still image of whatever you just took a picture of through this little image thing right here. Play is for anyone that may be using a animation. For example, we're going to path. All you got to do is click on your unit and drag with a single and say you don't want it to be visible. So you click on invisible, and just like that, it's really, really low. It's very, very transparent. It won't pop up in the play. So you hit this, it disappears, and now they're both moving. And the reason for that is just so the arrows don't clutter everything. Also under pathing, you can use a normal stencil, and this works the exact same way as the zone. All you gotta do is double click on this when it shows up green, and it will stop pathing it, just like that. Go ahead and delete these. Next up is your record animation. Recording the animation will show your operation name, show phase 1. All you gotta do is hit play, and it will start showing your animations. It will skip to the next phase, hit play again, and you can stop recording. It will record anything that is on your screen. Next up is save. This is again extremely important. It will save what you just made, anything that is on there, multiple phases, any animations, into a JSON file. You then load the JSON file through this button right here. Very, very useful, and it will make sure that anytime you're using this website, you can come back to whatever you're just working on. Wiping is exactly what it sounds like. If you want to get rid of everything on your screen, you just click wipe. Next up is your properties. Your properties, you have blue, red, green, yellow, white, which all those are explained with the tactical legend on the very top right up here. These will determine the color of what you draw, what your path is, what your zone is, and if you want to change any color, you can hit recolor right here. This box specifically shows the entity color that you are using, but you can customize it to anything you want it to be. So if I spawn this 501st, which these are preset with these colors automatically, you can go here, recolor, and now you have a purple unit in case you have any purple units that you may be using. Next up, this is your little drop down for different like units. Shinies in the 501st, those are our new people. You have infantry, armored, specialists, and air support. These can be used interchangeably. You don't have to use it for these specific reasons. And clicking on any of these and clicking on one of these will spawn that exact unit just like that. And again, they can all be changed color. Bold, making things bold. Example like path, you can make it a little bit more bold just like that. You can make text a little bit more bold, say test, make it on bold, test, just to give you a little visual example of the difference bold on bold. Next up is your grid color, which you already went over. We just went over the deployments. Text, we went over that, and you can make the text on boxed, just like that. Camera view is extremely important. Say there's an area on the map that I want to kind of show everyone what it looks like on a ground view instead of just a overhead view of the map. And click here, upload any image of what that area might look like, and just like that, you have any image right there at the ground view. And it highlights the fact that it is in fact a ground view at the very bottom right there. And I believe that is everything that you need to know about how this works. Let me know if you have any questions. My Discord is FunkyFred, and you can also find my username in the bottom right. Thank you.